This is the Department of Political Science orientation video. The structure of the major in political science consists of 5 subfields of study, each with their corresponding introductory course, except for the 5th, public policy. So international relations requires Poly 205 as the introductory course. Comparative politics requires Poly 203 as its introductory course. Canadian politics requires Poly 204. Political theory requires Poly 206. And public policy has no introductory course. A full-time status student typically is taking 4 to 5 courses per semester in order to maintain their full-time status. They would take the complement of introductory courses within their first year, because many of the 300 and 400 level courses that follow have the 200 level introductory courses as their prerequisites. You need to take the introductory courses first. Therefore, they should all be taken within the first year. These courses can be mixed with electives from other programs and other departments. As well, the student can take 300 level courses for which they've taken the prerequisite 200 level introductory course. In the final year, the student will take 2 400 level seminars, which consist of small 20 student classes, which facilitates close interaction with the instructor. One of the choices in the political science degree is to take an honors in political science. There are 2 options, option A, which is the course option, and option B. Option A consists of 60 credits, and it involves the 4 introductory prerequisite classes, 6 courses chosen from among Poly 306, Poly 345, Poly 364, Poly 371, Poly 373, or Poly 384, 6 credits from Poly 390, 392, and 393, which are methodology classes, and then 33 credits from among 3 of the 5 groups. And finally, 3 credits for Poly 496, which is the honors seminar. Option B, honors in political science, is the thesis option. It also consists of 60 credits. The key difference is that there will be 6 credits for the honors thesis and 3 credits for the honors tutorial. So why choose honors? First of all, it offers more political science courses for the student, 20 as opposed to 14 in the major. It allows the student to get farther in depth. In particular, the student will take 3 extra 400 level classes. These are highly desirable because of the small number of students in each of the classes. Why would you take an honors? Some students would want to prepare for grad school, or they would want to engage in research, or they're just interested. The requirement is a 3.5 GPA and the completion of at least 30 credits and at least 30 credits left in the student's program. If you would like to know more, speak to the Political Science Undergraduate Program Director. There's also a minor in political science, which consists of 4 introductory courses and then 4 courses drawn from any of the 5 groups. There's also a minor in human rights studies. This is a bit more complicated because it draws on courses from different departments. You can see here on this chart the rough correspondence between the quality of the student work and the grade point average. Grades are very important. The student should be aware that there's a difference between the term GPA or the grade point average for a particular term, and the cumulative GPA, which is the total GPA for the student's record. A 3.5 GPA is required to qualify for the honors program. A 3.3 GPA is required to qualify for the co-op program. A 3.2 GPA is required for tutorials. A 2.0 GPA is required for a minor. 2.0 GPA is acceptable standing. A GPA less than that, between 1.5 and 2.0, is conditional standing and typically involves the student's registration being blocked until they speak with an academic advisor in the department. A GPA of less than 1.5 is failed standing, for which there are consequences. The two key dates students should be aware of are withdrawing from a course with a tuition refund. This normally is a deadline that occurs within the first couple of weeks of a course. There's also withdrawing from a course without a refund, and this can occur beyond a month into a course. So students should mark their calendars to be aware when they're approaching these important deadlines. It's important that the student know their rights. First, the student should read the undergraduate university calendar, including all the matter regarding the calendar, the dates, and the information regarding their department. Political science has a number of academic advisors who are available to sit down or email with the student to do an audit of their transcript and to answer any questions to help the students achieve their goal of graduation. Students should be aware that they can fill out a student request if there is a request they'd like to make that's out of the ordinary. These forms can be picked up from the receptionist. There are student advocates at Concordia who are familiar with the regulations that can provide advice to students. There's a university ombudsperson who accepts complaints and acts on behalf of the complainant. There's also the Political Science Student Association at the undergraduate level. This is an association of political science students who like to get politically involved in administering their student association. They organize various events. There's the Concordia Student Union, which is a much broader political association that students can get involved in. And importantly, there's the Student Success Center, which provides a number of resources, but very importantly, writing assistance, so that students seeking to improve their quality of writing can go and consult